We're going to go ahead and finish our stems for our azalea. If we look down here, you can see that we already have our paper that we folded in half like so. What we're going to do is we're going to bring this end over, bring it over to the center bin that we have here. Place it like so. Crease this down really well. And we're going to do the same with this side here. Bringing this over, creasing it down really well. Just open this back up. And now we got our crease here, so we're going to go ahead and finish out this triangle crease. We're bringing the top edge down to the center crease like so. There we go. We're going to open the other side up and do the same. Bring this top piece down. And creasing it. There we are. Now, pretty much do the same as the azalea, except we're going to fold this up like so. Bring this over like this, creating this shape here, which is the shape we're looking for. And we're going to copy it and do the same on this side here. There we are.